I am Rajput, Principal of Eklag Model Residential School, Chhurikala, District Korba, CG. I am asked to say some words about the STEPapp program, which was launched in summer vacation. Our students from class 9 to 12 were registered with that STEPapp program, and they studied all subjects through STEPapp program, and we asked our students about the STEPapp program. They said that it was a very interesting program, especially for science and mathematics revision, and through games it was very helpful, they said. So I am very hopeful that in the future it will be very successful, and thank you for STEPapp team.